Midland Commando was a light infantry regiment of the South African Army. It formed part of the South African Army Infantry formation as well as the South African Territorial Reserve. History. Origin. This unit was originally named Fort Beaufort Commando but was renamed in 1962. The unit was located in Grahamstown. The area covered by this unit included Alexandria, Albany, Bathurst, Cradock, Fort Beaufort, Keskamathook, Pierston, Petty, and Somerset East. By 1968, the area of the Midland Commando was reduced to the magisterial district of Albany, Alexandria, and Bathurst. Association with the Winterberg Commando. The Winterberg Commando was founded in Adelaide in 1948. That unit's area of responsibility was significantly large on the outset, and two further commandos, namely Catberg and Midland Commandos, were developed. Operations. Disbandment. This unit, along with all other commando units, was disbanded after a decision by South African President Thabo Mbeki to disband all commando units. The commando system was phased out between 2003 and 2008 because of the role it played in the apartheid era, according to the Minister of Safety and Security Charles Nkakula. Unit insignia. Leadership. References. See also. South African Commando System.